You know, I thought it would be really cute if I did this intro in golden hour, but it's a little too high of a peak golden hour. Can't see you guys. This is not gonna work. Hey guys. Weird place to catch me at. I try to do, like, again, you just saw a cute intro and the sun didn't work out. However, you can still pretty much see the glow here. I'm not sweating, I'm not using cream, so I'm really excited to show you my tips and tricks on how to achieve this glow. Before we get started, hey, I'm Jessica. Thank you so much for tuning in. I make beauty videos, fashion, and all that fun stuff, lifestyle, anything in between. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right in before I drop my camera. All right, now I know this is not the best view right now. Usually I film the other way, you see the right side of my room, but I really wanted to do this in some form of natural lighting. And I know this is still a little dark, but something about studio lighting really just doesn't show like glow very well, at least the lighting I have, so that's why it's almost golden hour. So I feel like this might be best showing off the glow. So I already have my face on, my foundation. The foundation that I used was the all new Clean Beauty Sephora Clean Glowing Skin Foundation. I'm super excited to announce that I am a Sephora partner for this month, mainly on my Instagram. So if you want to check out a little bit more of the clean skincare they have and products in my review, it'll be on there. However, I have been using this for a couple days already and I really do like it, surprisingly, because it is kind of a thick formula.
Girl, you're thicker than a bowl of oatmeal.
But it held up really well. So here I am using it again. But for clarity, foundation that I usually use is a Mercier Glow or the 24-hour from L'Oreal, the one I mentioned in my last video. But it's a really good foundation. It's a natural finish. I am a combination skin gal and sheer glow still works very well for me. I tend to lean more towards the oily side. This specifically is the reason why I don't do cream products, especially because I already use a more luminous finish foundation. This was a really good one. So firstly, to lay on there's like dust flying around. Firstly, to lay off like a solid luminous glow is, again, I already have my foundation on, I've already set my face. When I'm done setting my face, I then like to go over with this powder. So this powder is the Candle Glow Sheer Perfecting Powder from Mercier, however you want to pronounce it. It has this really nice, I don't know if you can tell, that luminosity on it. You can see me in the back. So when I apply this all over. I do like a quick one over all over my skin. So it just leaves a nice sheen on my skin, right? And I do a quick one over. I don't go heavy with this because, again, it already has that luminous finish to it. I don't set my face with this. It doesn't really have that formula where it really just kind of like sticks to your skin and, you know, it doesn't like set your face like a translucent powder, but I do like to do a quick one over with it. So if you want to be a little bit more extra with your blush, I would highly recommend a luminous blush. This is my favorite. This is a Chic to Chic blush from Charlotte Tilbury in shade Ecstasy. Really nice luminous blush. However, that way you guys can see that you don't always have to use luminous blushes for this technique. I'm going to go in my Stilazzi Bahamas palette and going into this blush right here. Clearly, really love this palette. But this blush, it does not have any sheen to it at all. These two do, but this one that I'm grabbing does not. Lightly going in with my blush. I don't want to put too much of the blush because it's already like a vibrant color. So third step is really important when you apply your highlight. For the highlight today, I'm using the MAC Oh Darling Extra Dimension Skin Finish, an oldie but a goodie. So instead of going right in with your brush, you're going to be wetting your brush with a setting spray. The setting spray that I'm using is the Soft Focus setting spray from Hourglass. Once you get it all nice and covered with that setting spray, go ahead and dip in. And then, you see that? So good. You might need to go in and wet your brush again. I'm gonna use whatever's left over. Oop, forgot I had lipstick on and I put that on my lips. You don't have to wet your brush for this step. I just usually like to highlight the underneath of my brow bone just a little bit. It's not necessary, but this is just the extra step that I'm going in. Just like that. And this step, I would just go in and highlight anywhere else you usually highlight. So for me, that was my brow bone, my chin a little bit, and then my nose. I don't really go too hem on my nose unless I really have it like contoured, but not really today, so I'm not gonna add too much. And that's pretty much the last application of any sort of product to your face. I just finish it off with setting spray. And then the very last thing, I just get a damp beauty sponge. Sorry if you see like the spritz still there. And then I just press everything in. And this is very vital because this really allows, when you're pressing it in when it's still a little damp, for all your makeup, not just your highlight, to kind of just get pressed onto the skin to really like cement it on your face so it doesn't look powdery. It just looks like a seamless, like skin-like luminosity. And that's it. That is your luminous finished face without any creams. Again, step one, don't pick up the phone. I use a Laura Mercier Sheer Perfecting Powder from, again, Laura Mercier. 2, I wet my highlight brush. And extra step, if you want to use a luminous blush, go for it. That'll only enhance your luminosity and your glow, but it's not necessary. You see this? And then last step, you want to set all your face and then press in your beauty sponge to really just lock everything into place and have it just one seamless glowing star on your face. Looks so good. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you found it helpful and are gonna try any of these tips and tricks or have any other tips and tricks on how to glow, write them down below, because there's nothing in this world that I love, the new tips and tricks to enhance my glow. So make sure you leave those down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, if you learned something, and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I make beauty, fashion, lifestyle videos, and feel free to follow me on Instagram at MichelleJessica_ for a little bit more of an intimate look into my life. And yeah, again, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye.